Hi guys, it's Chema, your friendly mathematician, and I have another question for us to solve. This is the question, and the topic is on ratios. So let's dive in.
I wrote the question down, and the question reads: if the ratio of boys to girls is 3:2 and there are 15 boys, how many girls are there? So from the question, we already know that the ratio is boys to girls. So that means that boys are first while the girls are second. Boys are 3 while girls are 2. We also know that there are 15 boys. So first, let's make our girl's name be X, because we cannot get all the girls' names. So let's just generalize and name our girls X. So we have 3:2. 3 ratio is almost the same thing as division, but instead you don't divide it. You turn it into this. So 3:2 is the same thing as 3/2. That's equal to 15 is for boys, so I'm going to put 15 right here. And X is for girls, so we're going to put X right here. Because 15 is for 3 and X is for 2. 3 is for boys and 2 is for girls. Now we're going to find the relationship between these two. I think I've mentioned it in one of my other videos about ratio, that you find the relationship. That means you find the number that when multiplied will give you the number at the right hand side. So when we divide these, we get 5, which is the number that when you multiply with this will give you this. When you multiply 5 with 3, you get 15. So that means 3 times 5 is over 2 multiplied by this same number equal 15 over X. Now we have to make these two sides look the same. So when we're done with this, whatever we get here is our X, since they're now the same. That's 15 over 10 equal 15 over X. Therefore, our X is equal 10. You can also see that when we turn this into its lowest term, you also get 3/2. Try it out.
Thanks for joining me on this interesting journey through ratios. And remember that I said I'm going to be giving you guys a question to solve after each video. So this is a question for this video. Please drop your answer in the comments, and the first person to comment and get the answer right gets a shout out in my next video. It's your girl Chema saying goodbye.